Looking to replace Honeywell thermostat T8112D1005.
Just to clarify, do you think this is a larger HVAC problem, or something specific to the thermostat?
Think it's the thermostat? Got a low bat message, change batteries and now want restart. Low bat message remains.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That's it.
Hello, tell me what color or wire is attached to the thermostat wall-mounted subbase, and let me know if you want to do some tests using a paper clip wire or not. We can go from there.
If subbase means bottom of thermostat, there is one red wire. 3 on top.
Hello, I need a photo of that. Use the Add Files link next to your Send button to attach it here. Or tell me which letter terminal each of the wires attached to, and what color each wire is. We can go from there.
The file is attached. Also, terminals are coded WIG on top and are RC on bottom. Wire colors white to W, blue to Y, green to G, red to R. No wire attached to RC terminal.
Thanks, that is standard conventional system wiring. Any brand of the thermostat that says battery-powered, 24-volt, heat and cooling thermostat, for conventional systems on the box will work. There are 50 different options on the market. If I specify one, your local store may not carry it. So I have provided the generic specification to you above. White Rogers and Robert Shaw are the most cost-effective decent quality thermostats. Honeywell is good but a little higher in price. Depending on features, they sell for $40 up to several $100s as any big box type home fix-up store. Or from Grainger Industrial Supply. Avoid the Lux brand, it's cheap but has a high failure rate. However, you may not need a new thermostat. To test that, fit a jumper wire between R and W, the heat should come on. Next, fit the jumper between R and Y, the cool should come on. Next, fit the jumper between R and G, the fan should come on. If none of that happens, the problem is not with the thermostat but with the equipment itself, such as a blown 3-amp fuse on the printed circuit board, or a bad printed circuit board, etc. Do those tests, let me know how it goes.
RG and RY worked with jumper wire. RW did not. Now what?
Thanks. Fit your thermostat back onto its wall mount and set it for fan on, and then for cooling, and down to 60°F. If the fan and cooling come on, then there is a problem inside the furnace/air handler. And the thermostat is most likely okay. Stand next to the furnace, as someone else sets the thermostat for heating and up to 90°F, listen intently for the small inducer fan to start. If that starts, listen intently for a faint click 3 to 10 seconds after the inducer fan started. If you hear that click, we know that the pressure switch is likely okay. If you then hear 2 more faint clicks 30 to 60 seconds later, we know that igniter or gas valve is likely bad. Repeat this test several times so that you are familiar with the sounds. Let me know what you can discover. We can go from there.
Before getting your last message, tried shutting off the furnace. Turned back on and it fired up. We have had heat since the bat low warning remains on thermostat even though batteries are new. What is your recommendation now? Okay, tried recommendation from previous email. Only the fan came on. Thermostat is not showing any temp readings and cannot be adjusted. Heat is now off as well. Only the bat low warning is visible. Also during process, thermostat had unreadable symbols across screen. Took put batteries, replaced and bat low earning returned. Changed out thermostat. That seems to have taken care of problem.
Good work. Select the Finish and Rate Your Expert link near the top of your page to close the question.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.